This is Max at Jiayue Pins company. Jiayue Pins mainly manufacture enamel pins, coins and medals, police badges and kitchens. And right now I'm standing outside our factory. Just want to have a brief introduction of our factory, have a video introduction, show you how are your pins manufactured in our factory. Okay, this is the outside of our factory, and now let's go inside. Here is the metal workshop, and this is the coloring workshop. So for your pins production, after you contact us with your design confirmed, we will send the artwork to our model making workshop. In the model making workshop, we will have normally two models. One is the top model, another is the bottom model, which will be needed for your pins production. And in this workshop, we have normally have two kinds of molds. One is zinc alloy mold, another is iron mold. For example, like this. You may wonder why you have two kinds. Actually, mainly because of the pin's shape. If your pin's shape is regular and there's not much inner cutting or sharp edges, we can use the iron mold. You see, the shape is quite regular. But if your pins has a lot of details, for example, inside there are a lot of cuttings, then we have to use the zinc alloy mold. Okay, this is the model workshop. After the molds are ready, the next step is sandblast. Sandblast process like this. Okay, let's see it. Here. This is the step of sandblasting for the molds. And then now, when your molds are ready, the next step is we prepare your pins, black pins. First is use the iron strip. This is for iron pins. The first step is we cut these iron plates into pieces by that machine. And when it has pieces, we will put the iron strip on this machine. This is a hydraulic high pressure punching machine. You see here. Okay. Your pins two molds are put at the top and the bottom, and then the iron strip is put in the middle. With this strong force, your pin's shape is formed. After the shaping, it looks like this. This is basically for iron pins shaping. After the shaping, it has to be cut down. Cut down the strip. Use these two cutters also need a top motor, top cutter, and bottom top. The shape should be exactly same with your pins outside the shape. Here is the process of cutting down your pins. You see, with the two cutters and with also the strong force, your pins here, and it is cut down like this. After this step, your pins, the blank pin, almost ready. This is basically for the iron pins. For zinc alloy pins, it will be shipped from the zinc alloy injection machine. It is at the other side of our building. And the main process is the high temperature zinc alloy is put inside the top and the bottom models, and then it will be shipped and then cut down into pieces. So after the step of shipping, your pins comes to this process. This is the needle adherent. You say fix the back needles, and for actually before this step, there is the step for the blur clean. You see, for example, this is for the zinc alloy pins edge cutter. We need to make it very smooth, no sharp edge. This is mainly for the zinc alloy pins. For the iron pins, we use the vibration mode to use the to make the to vibrate. So these are the two kind of methods to make the pin's edge smooth. And then for the iron pins, the next step is we use the welding. We fix the needles like this. For zinc alloy pins, it is a little different. We fix the back needle here. This is at this process we do the back the needle. And okay, let's have a look of how the zinc alloy pins back needle is placed. Mainly, we put the pins on this machine. You see. This is the basic step for the back needle fix. After these steps, the black pins are ready. Now it goes to two ways. If it is a hard enamel pins, the black pins goes to the colorizing workshop for colorizing. If it is soft enamel pins, the next step is plating. As the plating workshop, it is not in this building, so I could not show it the details. After the plating, when it comes back, we will go to the colorizing step. This is the very how to say it, labor costing time consuming process. So for the colorizing step, every time when the black pins comes out, we put it at this table, and at every time we put one color on this pin. Here, this. So after one color is ready, and then we will put to the oven to make it dry. Actually, let me come back. Before the colorizing, you see, every pin has different colors, and we are using Pantone solid coated color. And for all these colors, we have to make it ready. So this are the workshop we prepare your colors. When all these enamel colors are ready, we give it to the workshop colleagues, and then they will make your pins with these colors. Okay, now let's go to the. You see, this is the oven. Make it dry, and so okay, let's go inside. Have a look. For example, this because every pin has to be hardened, dried, like this. And so when one color is dried, we need to bring it back to for the next color. So when all colors are ready, and then it goes to the next step. Here are the pins. You see here, these are pins just finished the needle, and then we will organize them. This is for everyday's production, and also you see these are pins under production. Just now, what I mentioned is the man-made colorizing. If your pins quantity is bigger, for example, 300, 500, 1,000 to 1,000 like this, we normally use the automatic colorizing machine. Here is the automatic colorizing process. Okay, so for the colorizing, after colorizing, for the hard enamel pins, when every color is ready and when every color is dried, and then we need to polish it to make them shine. So now let's go to the polishing workshop. Here is the grading. Where the hard enamel pins colors are all ready, and then we come to this step. First, to make it smooth, and then after the first step, we go to this step. And first, we put it on this plate, and then use the to polish it. Here is the polishing process. Also, make it, so after polishing, the pins are really shy. And for hard enamel pins, after this polishing step, we go to the later process, such as epoxy, because many customers they also want to add epoxy or want to have glows and also have lasers engraving. Okay, so next step we go to the screen printing. By the way, for the epoxy adding, it is a similar process with the colorism process. We put the epoxy on the surface of the pins and then also dry it. After dry it, and also some customers they also want glitters and have some special requirement, such as the glowing dark. For example, glow red, green, yellow, all kind of different colors. All these are the glitters. The basic process is we put the glitters on the surface of your pins and then clean and dry it. That like here, you see, now it is, you see the, for example, we put it like this. Like yeah, we put it like this. And then we will clean it. After clean it, we dry it. And now you see it is shining. It has colors. It's already. You can shine. Okay, so the next step is for the screen printing. Some customers, they have a lot of colors, very small, needed to put on the pins, but the area is too small to use ordinary enamels. So we use the screen printing. First, we have the mold for every pin, and then we put the mold here, and at your pins, put down below it, and with the right color, and with this mold, with this screen. You see, by this step, the screen printing is ready. Also here, okay, show it here. You see, this is a screen printed white color. So first, put the pins downside, and then use with this force, and then it comes out. Now the white color is ready. So this is the basic step for the screen printing. Okay, after this step, mostly we comes to the packing workshop. At this packing workshop, we will first have the quality check. Even though every time when your pins is under production, our later process is responsible for the formal steps quality. It means every time when your pins is ready for one step, when the next person is before he or she begin her work, she or he must check whether the former step is correct. We'll check the design. If found the design or any former step is not correct, we will report to production manager, ask them to check and to correct it. Even with this process, after your pins are ready, we will still have the quality check before the final step, which is the quality check before the packing. So we need to check whether the surface are smooth, clean, and whether every color is correct, whether there is a missed color or wrong color or even half printing. For any quality problem, if we found here, we will not put the back clutches. So after the quality check, found every pin is okay, and then it goes to the next step, which is normally the clutch. For many ordinary, we have customer need the black rubber clutches, but not everyone wants that, because your pins design are so pretty. In order to match the good quality of your pin, we have many options for the clutches, different color. So when you place your order, you can tell us what color you want, and then we will give you the correct clutches. For example, for this pin, the red color is surely more suitable. So now we are adding this color. And also, for some customers, for the packing, for some customers, they use the ordinary plastic bag to pack, which is a small bags like this. And after the bags, when we put into bigger bags. But for some customers, and now also we encourage you, because now everybody is paying attention to the environmental protection. You know, the plastic bag is not easy to disappear on Earth. There are too many plastic bags. So now a lot of customers, they do not want the plastic bags. They want the paper bag. So this we use this. See, this is more environmental friendly. And in the future, when you have this kind of requirement, we also can do this for you, and I will encourage customers all to do like this. This is the paper packing. And for many customers, they also have a requirement of the paper card, the back card. And also even with the, before the packing, some customers, they need the laser engraving. So here, this step is how the laser engraving do this. First, have the machine and put here, and this is a step. Yeah, and then for many customers, they want us to supply the paper, the back card, and also with different clutches. All these are available in our factory. Here is just a short view of some pins we manufacture for our customers. Every bag inside a lot of pins. To protect our customers' intellectual property, we do not show details to other people, because we must respect our customers' need. Many of them just tell their customer that they are the manufacturer. Actually, we are the OEM supplier we manufacture for them, but we are just the hidden hero behind the production. Okay, when pins are ready and packed, many customers, they have a lot of pins needed to be manufactured and delivered at one time. So this here are some pins ready, waiting for the others. And when everyone is really ready, and then we will wait here. After we will know the weight, and then okay, here also are some pins ready. And FedEx, okay, FedEx. When the quantity is not big, we use the FedEx packs. If the quantity is bigger, it's not when quantity is not bigger, we use the small bags. If the quantity is bigger, we use these carton boxes. Okay, my friend, here this is the basic introduction of our pins manufacturing. I hope this time you will have a better understanding how your pins are really manufactured in our factory. And we do hope that you can use our factory as your manufacturer. As a factory, we control every step, and we are responsible for the quality of your pin. And with all these years manufacturing, Jiayue Pins truly has won good reputation among our customers. They trust us. They know the quality of our pins is really better than many other manufacturers. So with a trial order, you will know whether Jiayue Pins can be a reliable factory. Our website is www.jiayuepins.com. So when you have any requirement, please just visit our website. And here I can show you our website, jiayuepins.com. And when you have any requirement, you can contact us by the easiest way is come to the online message with the online quote request. Just with a few clicks, you can send us your requirement. We will send you the quotation. And also, please, when you send your requirement, please send your design, because only with your design details, we will know the exact cost of your pins. Okay, my friends, thank you very much for joining this live show, and expect we can have a long-time cooperation from now on. Okay, bye-bye.